नमस्कार, मैं हूं विद्युत जामवाल. I'm a practitioner of the oldest martial art called Kalaripayat. Today we will talk about Ananta, infinity. In the infinity of life, where we are, all is perfect, whole and complete. Kalaripayat says that to be a perfect being, you have to be in sync and in harmony with yourself. There are 7 systems that we talk about: the skeletal system, the muscular system, the respiratory system, the digestive system, the visceral system, the lymphatic system, and the neuromuscular system. So today, we will join all the systems. We normally talk about muscles, we talk about bones, but the things that connect the muscles to the bones, the things that make the energies meet are the tendons and the ligaments. The tendons join the muscles to the bones, and the ligaments join the bones to the bones. I meet a lot of people, they only talk about building a big body or like a system which is only strong. The real strength comes from the inside, the organs, the ligaments, the tendons, the arteries, the veins. If they are in sync and harmony, we can move it in any direction we want. Today, we will energize the real strength, that is the tendons and the ligaments. Anybody who has ever had an injury with a tendon or a ligament should make sure they do this. It strengthens it. It gives you the energy. It gives you all the electricity that you need. Let's start. The prana, that is the life force that flows through within us, is the energy that we have to tap into. When you go to a gym and you lift very heavy weights, you are trying to pamper your ego by saying, I can do 80 kilos, 90 kilos. But what you need to do is, you need to make sure that every muscle, every tendon, every ligament is being used whilst you're making that movement. Let's do the very ancient Kalaripayat healing of the tendons and ligaments. So what we do is, जब हम जिम जाते हैं, तो हम वेट उठाते हैं बारबेल और उसको ऐसे करके बहुत बार मारते हैं, 50, 60. मगर अगर आप अपने जहन में रखें, if you keep it in your mind that you have to focus into the system and then you lift the same weight, you will be able to do multiples of those repetitions. So let's start. Imagine you have a very heavy weight in your hands. You have to activate this. Activate means you have to be very strong. Still, आप imagine करिए आपने अपने weight को उठाया यहाँ से और उठाइए, and you have to notice that the moment you grasp it, this all gets activated. Take a deep breath. पूरी जोर से, ताकत कम नहीं होनी चाहिए. आपको सोचना है कि आप बहुत भारी वेट उठा रहे हैं. हमें अपनी ईगो को मारना है और अपने शरीर को संयम में लाना है. अगेन, रिलैक्स. आप देखेंगे that the energy has started flowing in, the muscles have started getting pumped up. When I used to lift weights, first I used to warm my body up like this, then I could double it, triple it. There would never be injuries. The ligaments, the tendons would never injure. So let's do it again. Now what we'll do is, we will do a bicep and a tricep together. This is real strength. Let's do it. So आप उठाइए, into your tricep. You lift it. %100% स्ट्रेंथ रहनी चाहिए. Activate your triceps. forearms, wrist, relax. You will see that the prana has started flowing into your biceps. Whenever you go to a gym, make sure you warm up your body like this. Your body will know, your muscles, your bones will be ready for the strength training. I do it when I want agility, quickness in my body, strength in my body, and beauty in my body. Every muscle starts getting defined. Let's try it again. Now, let's do it using our triceps and our shoulders. Take a deep breath inside and धीरे से exhale करते करते पूरी पावर लगाइए. Small breath. बहुत भारी वेट है. This is the warm-up for the tendons and the ligaments. You will see people with very little weight, that is 60 kilos, 55 kilos, 45 kilos. They can do things that very strong people can't. It's the strength from within. Let's work on it. Again, now what we'll have to do is, we will pull something from the top. That is the energy from the universe into our body. So आप सोचिए, आप अनंतता से सब कुछ खींच रहे हैं अपने शरीर के अंदर. Hold it. पहले एक बार करिए, फिर 2 repetitions करिए, फिर 3 repetitions करिए. The idea is to squeeze every muscle in your body, to squeeze everything, to release everything, to open up everything. Now, we will get the chest activated. For that, what we have to do is hold this tight. Activate your glutes, your pelvis, your transverse abdominis, your rectus abdominis, shoulders, and pushing all the weight away from you, from your chest. Another breath. Shaking yourself up. I can feel the prana moving into me. I can feel the life force moving into me. In the yogic culture, there is Ida, Pingala and Sushumna Nadi. सारे कल्चर्स में सिर्फ यिन एंड यांग की बात की जाती है, सन एंड मून की. जो हमारा हिंदुस्तानी कल्चर है, सिर्फ उसी में सुषुम्ना की बात की जाती है, जिसको बाहर मेरिडियंस भी कहा जाता है. 72,000 से ज़्यादा नाड़ियाँ हैं शरीर में. इन सब में सबसे अहम, सबसे महत्वपूर्ण नाड़ी होती है सुषुम्ना. दैट इज़ द सेंटर ऑफ इट. लॉर्ड शिवा हैड द यिन एंड यांग, द ईड़ा एंड पिंगला बैलेंस्ड, एंड द बैलेंस्ड पार्ट is called the Ardhanareshwar, which is the Sushumna Nadi. And अगर वो संयम में आ जाए, you will be a perfect being. Keep shaking yourself up. How do you activate your system individually? उसमें जब हम ताली बजाते हैं ज़ोर ज़ोर की, आप देखेंगे कि हाथों में जितने भी एनर्जी चक्रास हैं वो एक्टिवेट होने लग जाते हैं. आप यहाँ से जोर लगाते हैं. What we have to do is, with the same pressure and power, stop it. इसमें ज़्यादा शक्ति है, इसमें ज़्यादा पावर है. Now, we move into the next level where we use the tendons and the ligaments. इसमें करना ये है आपको कि आपने ये सोचना है कि आपके यहाँ पर पूरी शक्ति है इस हिस्से में, और इस शक्ति का ही इस्तेमाल करना है आपको. So we will do it just the right way. You will feel an electrical charge if you're doing it right. You will feel the energy flowing. You will see the vidyut in you completely electrifying you. So let's get started with it. What you have to do is, Leonardo da Vinci had made one of the most amazing
sketches called the Vitruvian Man.
That's a perfect human being that comes within a square and a circle.
We will assume a circle around us.
अब जो भी करेंगे इस इमेजिनरी सर्कल के बीच में करेंगे.
करना ये है कि आपको अपने शरीर को बहुत लंबा करना है और बहुत धीरे करना है. You have to keep breathing, but the power has to be full. पूरा नीचे धक्का मारिए जितना जा सकता है. फिर the edges of it. Push up और ऊपर. Full force, pushing everything outside. You're unlimited, infinite. If you're doing it right, you will feel your ligaments and tendons emitting energy, emitting fire, and that is when the whole body gets vidyutfied, it gets electrified. We'll do it again as if we are pushing a bus. Good. Now, what we do is we push the body in another direction. The idea of pushing is, if your normal limit is this, it should go till here. If your normal limit is here, push it here. You have to push and make the circle as big as you can, because that is what your aura is. You need to push your aura into bigger and bigger space, so that for people to come into it will not be easy till the time you allow them to. There will be no negativity. Let's do it again. We start from the top. Activate every part of the body. Activate this, till this. The sacrum, pull it in. Push, push, push. Take a deep breath. The ligaments and the tendons have opened up. You will feel it in the first attempt if you just feel that your body has gone elongated. Now what you have to do is do the same thing. Use all your strength, all your energy, all your focus to lift something up. Come. Breathing has to be normal. Squeeze your triceps. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Breathe. If you do this even twice in a week, you will not break a tendon, you will not tear a ligament, nothing. Now that you've activated your whole system, the phase of using strength is to be able to use everything with great ease. We will put some water in a glass, in a cup, in a mug, and make sure that the strength is controlled. We make sure that everything is in our control. Let's try it. इसको पकड़ना नहीं है, सिर्फ रखना है हाथ में. In Kalaripayat, the last phase is to use these things as a block. So, आप किसी को पकड़ के घुमा सकते हैं, आपकी ability हो सकती है. In a lot of forms, it is used as the snake style. But it has to do with your control of how you use your limbs. अगर आप किसी से लड़ाई करते हैं, if you get into a fight with somebody, normally people who are not trained or not in balance, they will use your force. But with force, you can never concentrate. You can only focus when you're free and at ease.